What's up mga tihik? We're now inside Ayala Central Block. There is IT Park and we're just curious kung saan na diri sa bagong nga mall sa IT Park. So let's tour the place and together we'll explore kung saan mga shops nga na diri. So far I'm at the ground floor and local brands, our mga common brands like Pen Shop, Bench, we also have Levi's, Havaianas, and a lot more are in here. But so far, the place is nice and clean. And we'll see kung saan ito makita dire. So, let's check it out. Okay, so here's a second floor ng mga restaurants and fast food. So sa atong likod, Jerry's Grill and something unlimited chicken wings. So kung siya, gilinyahan siya kay today is around lunchtime or right now it's about lunchtime. So lang kayo tao wanting to, fill their stomachs. So we'll continue to go around the vicinity. Right now, so far, so I've checked, there's about 5 levels. There is a mall, and mura siya circular ang structure. Not really circular, but it's square. And in the middle, na siya mini park, al fresco. So where you can chill out and have some fresh air. But technically wala may fresh air, there is a city. But ano siya. So we'll still try to explore, and I think ilang cinema, we have 6 cinemas if I'm not mistaken, and it's on the 5th floor. And nasa sila active zone, mga arcade where we can play around. So suruh sa padayon ha. Explore the other side of the building. So we'll cross the bridge and I'll show you katuhagin ninyo murag mini park. So I might join the fast food. We also have Rose Pharmacy and there is unahan our True Value hardware. So I think it is good na may hardware doon. So in BPO call centers, may mga lockers na provide sa mga employees, and so those who are new can just easily drop by here sa Central Block and buy their padlocks. Alright, so okay, so I mentioned earlier nga nasa sila mini park sa center sa mall. So ano siya, yeah. So far, wala itaw na nagtambay kay it's raining so hard and grabe sad kayo kapag now ilang air conditioning unit. So that's why, good thing, na-jacket sa today. Okay, so ako lang nabantayan no is wala kayo sila mga lingkuranan. So I've been walking around this place for quite some time now and very seldom ta makakita og lingkuranan intended for shoppers. Di ba? Most of the time ay mga lingkuranan makita but where you can take a little rest. But right now wala tayo makita mga chairs or benches. Kasi na dito speak aside. Nari Daiso Japan. So Daiso. So let's see kung sa kayo ng other base na ay nalindot na shops. Park in the middle. And I think we're on the 5th floor. Nade chapel today, guys. So, employees can just drop by para makasimba sad sila. Especially for BPO employees, lisod kayo namin. Ang schedules is really fixed, so at least they're giving people the opportunity to go to church or whatnot. So good thing na nakitaan mo sa bench. So makaway sa tagamay, medyo bingaw pa siya kay wala pa kayo shops, vacant shops, but I think eventually mapuno na siya. So maybe next year, first quarter, mapuno na ang shops and we'll see kung sa mga bagong mga alright, so always ako gamayan. Okay, so let's try to check their food court kung sa mga shops or mga kananan na atin. So far, sa itong paglibot-libot, for me personally, I didn't find anything extraordinary. Typical mall, nothing fancy. Pero, parang maybe it's just a new place for people to hang out. But, based on my personal initial assessment, okay lang. Nothing is new. But I've seen pictures sa ilang cinema or again the siya. But maybe makita na kita inside what's really inside the cinema, then maybe we can say something different. But overall, typical mall, newly opened. So I think this is just their second day of opening. So muna siya. So I think that's just it. Bukat tayong bit-bit sa akong bag and we'll have to take our lunch. So if you think maduol-duol ka dito sa sa lugar, then you can just visit the place here at IT Park and feel free to see it for yourself. So, and comment down below on what you think about this place. So I think that's just it for us today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and peace out. Bye bye.